Hello world, update for the hummingbird. That is hummingbird, by the way, guys. Everybody, that was a very small bird, but yeah, I don't know how to feed them because hummingbird is sipping in nectar, like in the flower, and I don't know if they eat insects or like small worms, spider. Yeah, I feel sad to them. I feel it hurts. And yeah, when I came home, then after a few minutes, I came back immediately there in the place, in the spot, in the area it I where I found them, because maybe their mother will visit, because when I'm there, there's no mother. Then, as you can see in the first video, the nest, and then the two little birds, the baby birds, is under in the, like, a water flow, a small canal. And oh, that's so sad. You know, it it fell off the ground from the coconut tree. It hanging in the leaves of the coconut tree. So sad because there's a life there. And I I make a video, a small video, when I came back there in the area. I made like a wood, and hang them the nest, and with them, and I make a little shade because it's already afternoon, and yeah, the rain is coming, and luckily the rain is not so strong, like it's a, how, how do I say that, basta. Not strong, not strong rain. And yeah, I hope when I visit there again, it's alive. Or oh, so sad, so sad. I think last night that, yeah, I hope they are safe, they're protected, the mother will there feed them. So sad. I hope they are in good condition. Yeah, I make a small video that I make a, yeah, I film a video that I make a, like a hang on them. You can watch that after this when I'm talking, after I'm talking. Yeah, so sad.